Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 3rd July 2021. Essence. Sweet children, you now have to go to the new world. These days of sorrow are coming to an end. Therefore, forget all things of the past. Question. What should you Karma Yogi children constantly practice? Answer. One moment you are in your body for its livelihood, and the next moment you become soul conscious. Actions cannot be performed without having awareness of your body. Therefore, practice performing actions in the awareness of your body and then become soul conscious. No one in the world other than you children can practice this. Song. Awaken, O brides, awaken. The new age is about to come. The essence for dharana is: point number 1. Pay full attention to knowledge and yoga. When listening to knowledge, sit very quietly and concentrate. You also have to become Karma Yogis. Point number 2. Show everyone the path home that the Father has shown you. Along with being spinners of the discus of self-realization, also blow the conch shell of knowledge. Today's blessing is: may you make your stage constant and stable with the awareness of the lesson of belonging to the one Father and none other, and become a great soul. Again, may you make your stage constant and stable with the awareness of the lesson of belonging to the one Father and none other, and become a great soul. If you always remember the lesson of belonging to the one Father and none other, your stage will become constant and stable, because you have received all the knowledge. There are many points, but to have all the points and to be stable in the point form is the wonder. At a time when someone is pulling you down, sometimes situations will pull you down. Sometimes people will pull you down. Sometimes some things will pull you down, and sometimes the atmosphere will pull you down. This will happen anyway, but only when all of this expansion finishes in a second and you have a constant and stable stage, will you then be said to be a soul who has received the blessing of being elevated. Slogan. Imbibe the power of knowledge, and when obstacles attack you, they will be defeated. Again. Imbibe the power of knowledge, and when obstacles attack you, they will be defeated. Om Shanti.